Let's get started in the affiliate marketing business. More than just a great product or popular company will be needed in order to maintain a successful career in affiliate marketing. It requires innovation, dedication, and a willingness to learn as time advances. Newer and stronger methods will always present themselves, and it is the job of the marketer to keep up and utilize these where possible. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. Take your time and try different approaches to figure out the best way to promote your affiliate links. Don't just take the first option you see. Study the different choices carefully and test out different ads to see which ones get the best results. Rotating your ads frequently can help draw more attention. As stated in the beginning of the video, falling behind the technological curve will only manage to hurt your business. However, always test any new ideas or methods before actually putting the life of your company on their shoulders. Check the results of anyone else you know has made use of the method and decide if it could apply to what you are marketing as well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.